Sorry. See, I don't work on BMWs. Golly. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, 2014 320 Xi. All right. So what was going on? Golly, I swing worse shit. Um, the wiper transmission assembly had like took a crap on them. I'm not sure what happened. I'm gonna find out later. But evidently they make parts out of plastic. Yeah, this arm goes like this, which like completely separated from there, and this other arm just like totally detached itself from the other arm there, and you got a mess. But I'm gonna show you real quick how to do it. I already replaced it. Didn't take that long. Um, we just got a used part to save on cost, but it works perfectly fine. But I got it in there, halfway done. I'm gonna finish it up, but in the meantime, I'm gonna show you what I had to do to uh, achieve this task of repairing the transmission wiper assembly on this vehicle. Okay, so like I said, I'm halfway through this. I already got a newer used one installed. It's not broken. So you got to remove the wiper arms first. There's a plastic cap. These jokers right here. You just pull those off on the wiper arm, and here you will expose a 16 millimeter bolt. So you just take a pair of pliers, pull this off. You'll expose the bolt. Just pull them off. They're real easy and don't require too much torque. Once you remove both wiper arm assemblies, gonna be right here on the passenger side and then one on the driver's side right there. You remove those. Then you'll have to remove the covers. I did remove the one on the bottom down there on the passenger side, but you don't have to do that. I'll show you why in a second. You'll have these 10 millimeter retainers, little fasteners here. They don't turn that far, probably about a quarter of a turn or so, and they'll loosen up. I'm gonna show you how they look underneath. So this is ultimately what you're trying to do. So here they are in the the position of release, and when you lock them in place, you're just gonna turn them. And what is that? Clockwise to fasten them, and counterclockwise to loosen them up. So once you manage to do that, you'll see all this. You'll see the brake booster, transmission assembly, wiper transmission. There's a connector right here. You'll just disconnect this. It's very simple. Just a simple connector down there. Just pull on that tab, right there, and remove it. And the next thing you'll have to do is get these strange looking fasteners off. And what that is going to be a 5 millimeter hex bit. You'll slide this one in here. Let me show you how they look the same as the other ones. This is how they look. Slide that one back in there because I'm done with this. And you just turn it by hand and tighten them up. You go clockwise, and to release them, you go counterclockwise. But what I did, I didn't take this whole cover off. I just pried it up, and I was able to see the wiper transmission assembly a lot better. So only thing you have to do to pull this wiper transmission assembly off is this 10 millimeter bolt down here, and this one right there. Take that out. Be gentle, because everyone's favorite car manufacturer, this high-end piece of crap, has plastic on it. Don't break that. Once you pull those bolts out, then you can just lift up to gain some clearance to pull this wiper transmission assembly out, and basically just install it in reverse order. It's very simple, but I don't think there's any tips. It was pretty obvious. I mean, the guy evidently took it somewhere else and had it diagnosed, and now it's just a cheaper price to have it replaced. But yeah, this is it. Just want to give you a view of what this looks like. I'm pretty sure if you're planning on tackling something like this, you know how to set the get the wiper blades on in time. I'm not going to go in detail on that because it's pretty simple. But yeah, this is it. This is an overview of it. Have fun.